Hi guys, this is the review of Vega Universal Safety Cable Lock, which is simple and portable and is used for in bicycles, scooters, sports equipments, gates and other valuable against theft. Now look at the simple packaging of this safety cable lock. It is written here, best quality, Vega Universal Safety Cable Lock, and there is one QR code. You can also see the Vega branding is written on the lock system, and the color of the lock system here it is orange, but it is also available in black, red, silver and blue color. Backside of the package, operating instruction has been given. With that, company's customer care, email address and website also has been written. And finally, the MRP 143 inclusive of all taxes is written here. Now let us cut the strap to open this safety cable. You can see here there are two iron keys, and these two iron keys are wear resistant and non-reversible keys. You can also see here the slider cover for keyhole against the dirt and corrosion, and this lock is made up of zinc alloy. This is the tip of the cable and it will go into the lock. And this cable is made up of heavy duty 10mm braided steel with protective PVC coating, strong cut resistant and scratch proof. Now let us measure the length of the universal safety cable of Vega. This is almost 60 cm. Now I will tie this Vega helmet with this Vega safety cable against theft. Now see how this can be done very easily and effortlessly by this universal safety cable lock. Now done, locked. I have bought this Vega safety cable from Vega showroom at only 143 rupees, but it is also available in the e-commerce site. The buying link of this item has been given in the description. Now I have tied two helmets by this single safety cable lock, and this also can be done. You can see these two helmets are connected by a single cable lock. Thank you for watching my video. If you think video is helpful to you, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe my channel and share my videos. Thank you.